welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I have created this nice everyday soft glam makeup look. So it's not very heavy, very in the eye, it's like truly very soft, matte, cushy, comfortable makeup look, but it still looks very classic and elegant, and it's not only for day or for night. It's like a makeup look for any occasion where you just want a little bit of glam but not like too much of glam. So this is the video for you, and I thoroughly just love the way my eye, my blush, lipstick, everything has just come out. You guys let me know in the comment, what do you think about my brows and my makeup and everything. Let's get into the video. So here I'm starting off by using this Pond's moisturizer, a very easily available moisturizer in any chemist. You'll save a lot on your pocket and it does the work of perfect hydration. So check out this moisturizer, and it's available in cream form as well. It's available in 2 different textures, so please check it out. And I just moved ahead with my Renee Bollywood filter primer. Again, a very good primer. This is the second or third time I've used it, but I've just thoroughly liked it as of now. So I'll keep on using it, and maybe I'll keep on updating about that primer through my videos. So stay tuned for that. And what else, you guys? Summer is here. It's hot, like it's crazy hot. I hope we could just if I could only go to office wearing my sleeveless clothes and all of that because it's crazy hot, especially every day in the morning to catch a trains in your formals and travel, and then it's a whole other mess and thing. But I'm sure every one of you would be able to relate to me if you're working and if you go to office by train, so you can relate. But along with summers, mango is also here. So let me know in the comments who are my mango lovers. I absolutely love mangoes. Like I always tell every time that I'll just eat mangoes. I don't mind those pimples on my face unless I'm getting it from mangoes. I'm like, I don't care what's happening on my face. I am just going to eat that mango because it just comes like once in a year. We get it for 2-3 months. That's it. So I'm gonna make the most out of it. And in my video, I just use my concealer, my foundation, standard stuff. And this is a new product which I am using for my contouring. This is a cream contour from Lakme. That's the brand. I'll have it linked down below. It's a very good shade, a very nice contour shade for Indian skin tone. I believe it will go on lots of Indian skin tone, and it blended out very well. You can see in my video, the only one con which I found was it just got dried up very fast. So आपको बहुत जल्दी उसको blend करना पड़ेगा, because on my left side you can see I was struggling a little bit to blend it out. It did blend it. I am not saying it won't blend. It did blend it in the end, but I had to try a bit more to get it blended out. So just ensure that you're applying it on one side, blending it, and then you're applying it on the other side and then blending it. But overall, a very good product. I highly recommend it, and I only gave around $300 to $400. So please look out for that product. And here I'm just doing my standard powdering process, and I just went ahead with my Pilgrim Face Mist, again a new purchase, liking it, and packing that contour with my Makeup Revolution Super Bronzer, it's my favorite bronzer as on date. So these are just my normal few steps which are always required to do. And nowadays I'm connecting my bronzer with my eyelid, so you just saw in the video. And just did my brows, and let's get on to eye makeup. Now this is a very simple but an interesting and unique way of eye makeup. So in this time, while doing my crease, I went above my crease. With this first shade, I went above my crease and I just drew that wing outside, as you just saw in the video. That nice soft wing that I'm trying to create using these products. The second shade, I went with a bit darker shade, and then I'm just intensifying that wing, you know, like how you normally draw a wing, you do a wing eyeliner. I'm trying to replicate it, but through my eyeshadows, and I'm just intensifying and focusing it only on the outside. I've left my eyelid completely blank because I don't want any color whatsoever, and I'm just intensifying this wing that I'm trying to create, you know, with this pink eyeshadow palette. And in the end, I'll just use this matte white eyeshadow from my elf cosmetic palette, and now I will just fill up the remaining parts, like my eyelid which I left blank, and just trying to give that cut crease effect because I felt like I want glam, but as I said, you know, something different, easy, but not a lot. So this look really came together, and that's why I've left, you know, I've kept my eyelid completely white, and all the color is only on my crease and my outer perimeters of eyes. Just doing my standard mascara. You can add your falsies, but I skipped it out, and using my Makeup Revolution the Balm blush, because ain't no look complete without blush on our face. And again, I love this blush. Spoken a lot about this blush in a lot of my previous video, so check out. And finishing off the makeup look with some highlighter. I used Faces Canada highlighter. You know, that blush is so balmy and so dewy that the powder actually sat upon it and उसने उसको थोड़ा dull कर दिया. But anyway, overall good product. And I just added some powder blush, because as I always say, blush is never enough. For my lipstick this time in the video, I chose this shade Mauve from the brand Praush Beauty. Guys, they have some amazing bullet lipsticks, so check out. It's just worth every single penny that you're spending on the lipstick. And then to mute that pink a little bit, I used Milani's, I think it's Sweet Fetish, Secret Fetish or Pleasure, some shade, but a very nice muted nude pink shade, and finishing it off with my lip gloss, and that's it. So hey guys, that's it. That is the final look for today. This is the final result that I came up with. Yay, that's it. Yes, let's continue growing, glowing, and yes, I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.